everyone, in this vlog, I'm going to teach you how to get your subscription public or private. Meaning, if you subscribe to a channel, to a certain channel, then it's either they see your subscription or not, okay? So from Google, the same thing, you type YouTube, okay? And then you go to your channel. And then as you can see, you press that button, on the right hand side, upper right hand side of your screen. And then press channel, your channel, I mean. And then YouTube Studio. All right. And then all the way down on your left, the corner side of your screen, it said settings. So press that setting. And then it would come up like this. So press the channel, advanced setting, and then advanced setting, and then scroll down to YouTube account. And then you'll see this on the left hand side of your screen, which is setting, account, notification, playback, performance, privacy, and all those things. So you press this privacy, and then there you go. You'll see how you private or public your subscription. So you have a choice to now mine is public. So to private it, you just turn it on. So I would want mine to be public right now, so I leave it public for now. And then that's it. When you're done, it's automatically saved. So you just go back to your YouTube Studio, which is just press again the profile picture on the right upper side of your screen, and then you're good. There you go. Okay, so I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, please subscribe. I will try to do more of this kind of tutorial. Thank you guys. Bye.